Hi friends, it's me, Bri. Do you know this story? We can read together in another video. They live in a haunted house. Today, let's draw a haunted Halloween house. Woo! For this project, you'll need some paper, a black pen, and some Halloween colors. I'm using purple, orange, green, yellow, brown, gray, and black. Okay, you're ready to draw. For this Halloween haunted house, let's start with some scary steps up to the door. Start at the bottom. With your black pen, make a rectangle. Next, a smaller rectangle. Make sure it's smaller. Now, let's draw the door. In a haunted house, nothing's very straight and perfect. So you can make a door with a funny shape. And don't forget the door handle. Next, at the bottom of the door, we'll make this line longer. Like this. This will be the bottom of our house. Now see where the stairs are? Next to the door, let's make a line that goes up. Just a little bit past the top of the door. And on this side, another line that goes up. About the same height. We're going to connect them. Remember, it's okay if it's not perfect. A haunted house is all kinds of funny shapes. This line is gonna go out more too. Let's make this line into a thin rectangle, like this. And next, draw a diagonal line up. And one more on this side. This will be the roof. Let's draw a cross. Good. Now we're going to draw another floor of the haunted house. Our haunted house will be 1, 2, 3 levels high. So let's draw again up. And stop. This one will be a little bit shorter. And again, up and stop. Connect the two lines. And again, we'll draw a rectangle on the top. A little bit longer. And make the rectangle. Now we'll make another roof. If you're running out of room on the top, make the roof a little bit shorter. For the last roof on the very top of the paper, let's make an open triangle shape like this. And then add some lines on the side like this. We'll go up, over, back to the top of the triangle. And again, up, over, back to the top of the triangle. This will be the pointy roof of our house. So we'll want to connect it to the rest. Now I want to make a chimney, but again, a little bit funny shaped. So I'll draw up and up and another rectangle on the top. This will be our chimney. Now, let's add some details to our house. We need windows. Here, let's make one big window. You can make a rectangle, a circle, a diamond, any shape you can think of. I'm going to make a funny shape. And here, we'll draw 2 more windows. Again, choose any shape you like. I'm going to draw 2 squares. And on the top, we have room for 1 more window. I'm gonna make it round on the top and flat on the bottom. Next, let's draw a frame around all of our windows and our door, like this. Wherever you made the line for the door, jump over, bloop, just a little, and draw around and around and around. We'll do the same for the windows. Find the line and jump just a little. Good. Let's do it for these windows too. Jump around, 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 around. And here. There. Next, let's add some tiles to our roof pieces here. I'm going to start with lines that go across. But again, I'm going to make them a little bit jaggedy scraggly because haunted houses are old. Now, some lines going down. They're not all the same. This is when you can design with your own ideas and creativity. Our next roof is here. Let's do it again. There's one more small roof piece. It's here. We can do the same thing. Lines, jump, line. Line, jump, line. And look, our chimney can have lines too. The chimney is made of bricks. Now, for our window, I'll draw some lines like this. And I'll do the same thing on this window. These windows I'm going to leave open because I want to draw some eyes looking out. I'll take a smaller black pen. I'm going to draw some details on the house. In this window, I want to draw a spider web. I'll start with a point. I'll keep making points and I'll try to make sure that they stay in a line together. Here, 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 and here. Then I'll be able to draw a straight line through all the points to make a web. Like this. In this window, I want to draw some eyes, like there are people or creatures inside watching. I'll make one pair of eyes that's a little bit scary, like this. And here, I'll draw one pair of eyes that's a little bit silly. And next, in the lower window, I want to draw a Halloween cat, a black cat. And the cat's tail. Next, I want to draw a jack-o'-lantern. So I'll go back to my bigger marker and make a stand for the jack-o'-lantern with one long rectangle and a short rectangle. The jack-o'-lantern will sit on top. I'll make a mostly circle shape with a stem on top. Next, I'll draw the jack-o'-lantern's face with my smaller black pen here. I'll draw triangle eyes. 1, 2. A triangle nose that's small. And a big smile. Down and stop. I'm going to make a tooth. One more. And up. Down and stop. Another tooth, this time pointing up. And up. Ta-da! We're almost ready to color. Now I'm going to make the moon, a big full moon behind the house. I'll make a big circle. I can't draw on the house, so I'll just stop here. And it looks like the moon is shining behind. And over here, I want to draw a ghost coming out of the house. 2 oval eyes and an oval mouth. Woo! There! Now it's time to color. I'm going to color all of the house pieces purple. You can choose any color you like. Next, I'll use green to make the trim around the doors, windows, and roof. Next, I'll use orange to cover the roof. Next, I'll color the door brown. And I'll color the chimney bricks brown too. And the top of the chimney, I'll make it green like the other roofs. Next, I'll come in and color the cat. I'll make its eyes orange. I'm pushing a little harder to make the cat a dark black because I'm going to color in the window after the cat. I still want to be able to see it. Now I'll color in the window. To make a lighter black, just don't push as hard. I'll do the same kind of lighter black color for the top window. And the same thing for the spider web. I'm going to keep these eyes white, but I'll make these eyes yellow. I'll make the door handle yellow too. The last window, I'll do the same thing with the black pencil. Can you think of something else you can draw in the window? Maybe curtains, maybe a monster? Now I'll color the moon yellow. I'll take my gray pencil and outline the spiderweb lines. And now the jack-o'-lantern. I'll make his stand the same colors as the chimney and door. Brown with green. The jack-o'-lantern is lit up by a candle inside, so his eyes, nose, and mouth will be glowing yellow. And he's, of course, pumpkin orange. And a little green stem. I'll take another kind of green to draw the grass in front of the house. And for the stairs, I'll use a darker purple. You can also color the sky black, like the nighttime. I'm going to use my big marker for that. You did it! You made a haunted house! Ooh. Thank you for drawing with me today. I want to see your haunted house. What colors did you use? What creatures did you draw? Please use the hashtag #BriDraws and follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.